Hi everybody, I'm Cody Hamill, the Client Care Manager here at Yakta. I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to remove the deck of a 710. The purpose of deck removal would be for deck replacement, blade replacement, or the purpose of sharpening blades. This is the list of tools you'll need. Always ensure to turn off your battery disconnect before you complete any service item, as well as if you are using jacks to lift the machine rather than a hoist, ensure that you're using jack stands or blocks. Lower the deck to the lowest setting onto blocks. Remove pulley covers, then remove the deck belt by disengaging the tensioner arm and removing the belt from the outer spindle pulley. Followed by the clutch pulley, ensure the deck lift spring pressure is relieved by pushing the deck lift pedal into its lowest position, as well as the upper trailing arm bolts. Remove clevis pins connecting the deck to the deck adjust links. The deck will now be free for removal from beneath the mower. To reinstall the deck, follow this procedure in reverse orientation. For more information, visit yakta.com.